I wonder what's it. It is very nice. And now we enter Quarter Field. But what just happened to the Quarter? Still isn't acting crazy. Well, that's better. The quality should not act crazy at any time. I'm gonna get out my jacket. This is nice. So, is there any more lifts to film? Let me film this. Wow, this looks more nice. It absolutely looks nicer, and also does the Christmas decorations on every atrium of a shopping center. So also these Christmas decorations on the ceiling lights, they also look better. So moving on to the next lifts, which is some really nice and crab lifts. These lifts go to the parkings. But sometimes these lifts are so busy. So when are you going to move with these lifts? Do you know what to use in case of fire? Mouth. These are old Schindler cabs. What? Well, is this the right floor we are got? Copyright. This was nice. Wow. So we have got another Christmas decoration to see. Wow, these atrium Christmas decorations look nice. Oops. So now we stop on this. No. That thing down these stairs, there's a childish thing, so you cannot get a Christmas decoration for this atrium. Moving on to an Cordingless fashion building. This building is 5 floors, and the next lifts, which are Jersey Schindlers, but they were more nice than to Schindler Morels. Well, let's just go right these lifts, please. So we are going on to the way to the lifts. As you can see, it's been a while going over here, and all of the lifts have been successfully modernized. But the cab is original, but the logic has been changed. And so as you can see, the outside of the lifts, they've left it the same door rails, but not inside. This is called another lift to go down. Look at this, Dad. These other ones. Oh, there. What is the most busiest lift? Girl. Oh, yeah. Please let us go.
Miguelín, te estás pasando, ¿eh?
Mira cómo te tira bocado.
Oye, estás sacando mucho esfuerzo mío.
Pero tú le tiras pelo, normal.
Yeah, Flo. Please, thank you.
Thank
you for visiting. I hope you have a great day. Well, this is not funny. So we just stop at the basement. This is going to be massively a really nice lift. So as you can see, the cab is being left at the same as original. The fishes used to be Schindler D series. They used to be Schindler D series, pressable inside, but touch sensitive as call button. Here we are, the 5th floor. It's the 5th floor.
4.
Okay, 4. Okay, boys, you're getting.
Mañana.
What? I just shut the doors on someone.
Vamos a... Gracias. ¿Nosotros a cuál vamos? ¿Has puesto
Basement.
menos uno, no? Rubén?
¿Vamos a 0?
This is a floor. Yes. So I believe that the entire 4th floor has been, on the area of the lifts, 4th floor has been refurbished. So there's here a really beautiful Christmas decoration. You can see it below this video. So there's another Christmas decoration with particle meters. Wow. This looks nicer than before. This just looks nice. Oh my god! The 3 of the lifts have a floor 0. The logic of the lifts before was very bad. So I didn't really like the lifts before, but I now like how they are. All of the lifts being successfully modernized into Schindler MRLs. So I don't know how the Courting Glass staff managed to modernize the lifts. Yeah, this looks beautiful. So below people, if you're watching this video, if you do not know how they make these lifts before, you can go in my past videos. So that when I released this before, with a very quite bad logic. You can just go on my channel and watch how were these lifts before. Yeah, this cab, but the cab looks like a bit of old. Yeah, we just got on the 1st floor. Does this really act like a technically polar lift? What if you're watching this video? I grant Schindler a really nice support on modernizing the lifts. So yeah, we have gotten here more Christmas decorations. So Christmas decorations and lifts are the point of this video. Let's just say this Schindler did a really great mod on the lifts of the Courting Glass Fashion Building. They really did the greatest mod ever. So now we stop on the shoe shop, which is really, it smells like feet. It smells so freaking bad. To get to the food court, we have to go to the lower mall level. So what is the point? The point to go to the food court, just to go down to a lower mall level. Oh, this goes to the lower, to the 1st floor, to above ground car park. So what is the point? We could just go on the escalators, since now currently the lifts are very busy. Let me show you guys my Benno Boy skills. Yep. Whoa. Yeah, that's a really beautiful Christmas decoration. So we are just going to look upwards to the Christmas decoration at the lower part of the atrium of the shopping centre. This is a brilliant, quite huge shopping centre where this way. Whoa, my phone, it was almost a fell off. If you saw that, well, if you saw the up of a Christmas decoration, So please watch entirely this video. You can help you find some lifts here if you're visiting here. You could just help to find the lifts over here. But now we're going on to the best part of we are going to the greatest atrium ever in the entire shopping center. So to look at the Christmas decorations. Doesn't really look like a cute song. Okay, so we're gonna. No. Well, the people are clapping, and now into the food court, and here I come first to enter the shop, the Mercadona grocery store. So first, before riding the lifts, we're going to buy our groceries for our house. Stay tuned. Oh, really? I'm not going to film the lifts to go down to the underground car park. Oh man. But I could just really go. I don't care. This is so cold. Ooh. What the heck is this thing? I don't know. This thing. Well, these button lights are blue, but it's a bread cutter. Wow. This is a very curious thing that you could ever find in Mercadona grocery stores. Area. Remember the time that I saw this machine in function, but I didn't manage to record it. Oh man. You could have asked for more Christmas decorations here at the grocery store. That's spam. Hey, what just happened? I don't see anything now. We are going to watch this function right now. Get ready. Nothing messy. But you just closed. Watch this. I have enough time to film the next lifts. On to the next lift, to the underground car park list, which I won't really film right now. But above ground car park lifts, this is almost to get to the end. To really go to the ground floor, the left lift does, but I'm not sure if the right lift does right now to see it. Yep, now it goes to the ground floor, up to one. Whoa. I almost shuttered the doors on those people. To our destination. Oh my god. Whoa. Which floor? One, okay. Whoa. Just nice goes to the ground floor. I'm almost touched it. Wow. So that will be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.